Hi, my game is completed. When I made this game in 10 hours, there were 3 levels, and except for Outside Castle, I have completely deleted the other 2 and redesigned them, and now in the final game there are 6 levels in between the title screen and the credit screen. The level inside Castle is just for teaching players character controls. As the player will go through this level, they will know which key perform which action. In the next level, Floor 1, 2 new enemies, the Archer and Pikeman are introduced. 80% of the time you encounter an archer in this game, you can use it against other enemies by targeting arrows at them. On the other hand, Pikeman is a solid enemy which will attack you if you waste any time. Coming to the design, Floor 1 consists of title platforms, so if you don't jump from the end of the platform you won't reach the next one, falling down on spikes which will kill you. And every time you die, you will spawn on the beginning of the current level. Floor 2 introduces a new enemy called Slime. It is very fast and can kill you in one hit. The design of Floor 2 is much more relaxed in terms of space, but it is definitely more difficult combat wise. Next up we have the boss fight level, but to understand the premise of the boss fight, we should go through the storyline first. The story is told through letters of King Henry, which you will find throughout the game. The format of these letters is inspired by the dialogue system of old Pokemon games such as Pokemon Gold. The sentences are printed letter by letter and you just have to read and loop through them. The brief of this story is that something is going on in the castle and you are sent to investigate it and rescue King Henry. And what you find out is that the king is actually making clones of himself. So now coming back to the boss fight level, you will face a duplicate of yourself, which your player will control. So if your character goes right, the enemy will go left. If you go left, the enemy will go right. You cannot directly attack it because if you do, you will get hit also. I won't tell you how to defeat it, you will have to use the environment, but I will give you one hint. You are the one. You are the one. That's all I'm going to say. After defeating your clone, you will reach the king's room, which will conclude the story, and later follow up with the credit screen. As you just saw, the design is very minimal, and I've given more focus on making this game challenging. If you like games like Dark Souls, which comes in the genre of Souls-like games, I'm sure you will like it. Games in where you have to get used to the environment and basically have to die a couple of times to learn how to play. The complete duration of the game is around 15 to 20 minutes, so it is not big and obviously it is free. I have uploaded it on itch.io. The link is in the description. You can go there and download the game according to your operating system, so whether it is Linux, Mac OS or Windows. If you play, do let me know in the comments below what you think of the game. And if you are interested in code, I have uploaded entire Unity project on GitHub. The link for that is also in the description. Thanks for watching guys. I will end the video with a time lapse for no reason as I have recorded 4 hours of development footage.